Hi, this is Escutia from period 1, and we're going to be doing a problem from concept 10, unit F. And here's our function. The next thing we have to do is find our P's and Q's. This being our P and this being our Q. We get plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and then 1, 6, 2, and 3. Then we put our P over our Q to get our real possibilities. Now that we did that, we can do Descartes' rule of sign, which will tell us how many positive and how many negative we'll have. And right here is just one positive. And to do the negative, we flip the even degrees stay the same and the odd degrees change. So this will stay the same, and this one too. We have 1, 2, 3, or 1 negative, and then we can start plugging in numbers. Let's try -1. And it looks like this one's not going to work. This won't work. This has to be a 0, which in this case is not. So we try another one. Let's try 1/2. And this is 3, 36. We're getting nice numbers, and then we get our first 0 here. From there, this becomes our new equation, and now it's a cubic, so we still have to keep going until we get it to be a square. And we can just continue from here, and we'll try -2. And then 6, 12, 24, 2, and then we get -4, and that one works too. So now this is a square, and we can rewrite that. 6x squared plus 24x plus 2, and we can factor out a 2. And this doesn't look like it's gonna factor nicely, so we can do the quadratic formula. And it should look like once we subtract 144 minus 12, we get the square root of 132 and 6. 132 we can take something out of that. We can take out a 2, and we're left with 33. And now in every one of these spots we have something we can factor out, which is 2. So this would be -6 plus or minus. We just the 2 is gone, so we're just left with 33 and 3 on the bottom. And this is one of our zeros, or 2 of them actually. And then if we write them out, 1/2 is going to be x minus 1/2. -2 is going to be x plus 2. And then we can either write it as we did up here before we did the quadratic equation, And we can also do it written here. To do it that way, we have to do x minus and then 6x plus 33 over 3. And then we do it for x minus, for 6x minus. And then this becomes 3x plus 6 minus square root of 33 over 3 and 3x plus 6 plus square root of 33 all over 3. Now we see, if we look back at our zeros, we have 2, 1, and 1, which adds to 4 as our top degree was. So we know that we're good. And then if we write out this is our factor, and then we can write out our zeros. So our zeros are 1/2, -2, and then 3x plus 6 minus. Our zeros are actually the one we found up here, so 6x minus 33 over 3, and then these are our zeros for our function. Thank you for watching.